want to get started as a notary signing agent in your state and you're already a notary public and you're wondering, how are these people making all of this money? It's because they have additional credentials, additional training, and additional supplies and insurance. The first thing that you're going to want to check is, are you in an escrow state or are you in an attorney state? Meaning, are only attorneys allowed to do the closings? There's only a few states that are like this. Or are you in an escrow state where title companies or settlement agencies or escrow companies, whatever you want to call them, hire notaries to conduct the closing? The next thing that you're going to do is obtain loan signing agent training or notary signing agent training. It's the same thing, but you need to get additional training and additional certification so that you understand how to actually walk a signer through real estate and loan documents. After you've taken this training, whether you've taken this training from me, whether you've taken this training from a notary education provider, whether you've taken this training through the National Notary Association, through wherever you take the training through, next step is to go to nationalnotary.org and take the NNA signing agent exam and background check. So you're going to take that background check because it's the industry standard. It goes back 10 years and it's through Backgrounds Online. But with that background check comes a test. And after you pass that test, you can take it as many times as you need to, and it's open book, but after you take that test, you get a listing on signingagent.com, you get that certification, and you have that industry standard background check. So regardless of where you get the training from, you're still going to want to take the certification because a lot of hiring parties, including me, require it in order to hire you. So now that you have your certification and your background check, you've done all of this online, all the training was online, all of the background check was online, all of the tests was online and open book. Now that you have done that, next up you're going to need to set up your business. So do you want to work as a sole proprietor? Do you want to work as an LLC, etc.? So you're going to decide your business structure. After you've decided your business structure, you're going to obtain errors and omissions insurance. You could do this, you could do these steps in a different way, but you need to do all of these steps. But you're going to obtain errors and omissions insurance. You want to make sure that the E&O policy that you choose covers you as a notary signing agent. So it covers all of the services that you're offering, not just you as a notary. Common companies that people go through are like Byberg or Hiscox or their local insurance provider. But Byberg is a really big one. Now that you have your credentials, you've decided your business structure, your insurance, you're going to get an EIN. This is free directly from the IRS and it's an employer identification number, and this is why. You're going to want to use an EIN instead, even if you're working as a sole proprietor, especially if you're an LLC, instead of your social, because anybody can start a signing service and you're working as an independent contractor. So that means that you're going to be filling out dozens of W-9s. Now that you have all of your credentials, it's time to get your supplies. This is going to be your bare minimum list, okay? Are you ready? You need your stamp, your journal, blue pens, black pens, legal size paper, letter size paper, manila folders, rubber bands, sticky notes, a laser printer that has the capability of printing on both legal and letter size paper. So it can be a single tray, but it has to be able to print on both sizes of the paper, and a scanner. If you don't already have a laptop or a desktop, then you're going to need one of those too. Now that you have all of your credentials and all of your supplies, it's time to decide your branding. So you're going to want to choose a logo, brand colors, font, and you're going to want to create a business card. This is a bare minimum. We could do flyers, we could do trifold brochures, we could do all these other things, but we're going to start with a logo and a business card and taking a professional headshot photo. It doesn't have to be done by a professional, but it does need to look professional. Just you sitting in good lighting with a regular neutral colored shirt on, smiling at the camera, using a tripod will work. Now that you've decided the branding, you have all of your supplies, you have all of your credentials, now it's time to set up your online presence. This is going to be the first step in your marketing of your business. So you're going to set up a landing page, just a basic landing page with a custom domain at least, and then you're going to set up the rest of your online presence, your business LinkedIn, Alignable, your business socials, your Google business profile, Yelp for business profile, etc. There are tons of places online that you can list your services as a notary, but listing them online is a great place to start. After you've done this, the next step that a lot of notary signing agents take is signing up with signing services. These are already established notary companies that have direct clients that they send the leads to notary signing agents. So instead of the signing service going out themselves and doing the closing, maybe due to geographical, restrictions or just That's just the way that the business model is. The signing service already has an established clientele. That established clientele hires the signing service to find notary signing agents and assign them to the order. So notary signing agents can sign up with signing services in order to get free leads. So that's the next step that a lot of notary signing agents take. After you sign up with signing services, there are dozens, hundreds that you can sign up with. A lot of notaries will start direct marketing. Notaries will use the signing services a lot of the time to start to get experience in the field, learn what they're doing, get a flow and real understanding in real world experience working with the documents and doing different types of closings and working with different types of signers and companies, and then they'll start to market their business direct. This means you're going to identify your target clientele, who you want to work with. You're going to market your business to them. You can do this a variety of ways. It can be in person, online, over the phone, through email, through socials, through LinkedIn, but you are going to start directly telling people about your business and directly working to partner with them. So I hope that this helps, but this is a step-by-step walkthrough of everything that you need to do if you are already a notary and you want to get started as a notary signing agent. And if you're not already a notary and you want to get started as a notary signing agent, you only need to add one more step to the very beginning of this process, and that is to become a notary. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.